Today is supposed to be beautiful and almost 60 degrees. So Kev and I decided we're gonna take the dogs to the beach. I'm so excited. Tommy got me this when I was leaving Hawaii, and I haven't put it on yet, and this is the perfect day. She's pretty stable. I'm so hungry. What else is new? I think we ran into a St. Patrick's Day parade.
I didn't bring my green.
She's got a Care Bear onesie on.
Oh my god.
What? Look at this.
Nova's gonna have to kill somebody.
Why? Okay, Kona. Wait, this is really cool. Kev, we could live here. They have a bowling lane.
That's all you need.
That's all we need.
There we go. Bye, baby.
They do look like brothers.
They have the same exact structure.
It's exactly the same. Oh my god, Nero found his brother. This is making me so happy. This is so beautiful, although we came on a day where there's that huge St. Patrick's Day parade, so you hear all of the loud music, which is like slightly less serene. It'd be nice if it was just the waves breaking, but I'm not one to complain because the weather is perfect and there's so many adorable dogs, and Nova and Nero are doing well, although Nero just pooped and Kev went to go get it. God bless.
Nova.
My sleepy puppies. My sleepy puppies.
Who is it?
So Kona went to catch a ball that Kevin threw towards the blanket, and she skid out all over everything. This is so nice. Oh my god, this dog really looks like a puppy Nova. Looks like a puppy Nova.
Here he comes trotting.
Nero is off and exploring on his own. Who's my good boy? Don't drink that, Nova. Oh my god, she's peeing!
Oh no! There's some water sitting on it.
Good girl! You guys, this parade is making it crazy. What, against Kona?
She's the fastest dog in the world.
You're such a dog dad.
Oh yeah, I want you to catch up.
Where's the next car? What's up?
Yeah, where are you going?
This is Ona, this is Nova, and that's Nero.
Okay, yeah.
This music is not the vibe. This is heavenly. I would move here just to have this beach alone to yourself in the winter.
Yeah, but nothing like laying on the beach in the park though.
Look at the wind in his ears.
Okay, bye.
What do you see?
I like seeing the gallop. Start picking up speed.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, they're coming back. Boys are back.
Struts. We're back home. I got to see Amanda and Spencer. I was so happy to see them. I just wish we had more time. I have to go home and edit the podcast, otherwise I'd go chill with Kev's family. I feel bad. I don't see them that much because I'm always... Did he leave? I thought you...
No one cares.
I might.